Hello students, I am Dr. Balpreet Kaur, Associate Professor in DIPS IMT. Today I am going to discuss the consumer behavior. The term consumer behavior, individual buyer behavior, end user behavior and consumer buying behavior all stands for the same. It means consumer behavior, individual buyer behavior, user behavior have the same meaning. Consumer behavior is the study of how individuals, groups, and organizations select, buy, use, and dispose of goods and services, ideas, or experiences to satisfy their needs. It means how they select the product, how they use the product, and how they dispose the product, ideas, or experiences to satisfy their needs. It depends upon their behavior. It means the behavior of the consumer influence their buying behavior, their purchase decision. Consumer behavior may be defined as the decision process and physical activity individuals engage in when evaluating, acquiring, using, or disposing of goods and services. Basically, consumer buying behavior, it is a decision process. Process means how the consumer evaluate the product, from where he buy the product, and how they use the product to satisfy their needs. According to Belch and Bell, consumer behavior is the process and activities people engage in when searching for a product, while selecting for a product, purchasing a product, using a product, evaluating a product, whether the product satisfies their needs or not, whether they are satisfied or dissatisfied with the product, and disposing of products and services so as to satisfy their needs and desires. The next is nature of consumer behavior. First one is systematic process. Consumer behavior is a systematic process relating to buying decision of the customers. And the buying process consists of the following steps. First one is to identify the need for a product. What type of products the consumer wants. Information search relating to the product, from where they can get the information, whether from their social networks and whether from television advertisements, whether from other marketing agents. The next is there are different alternatives available in the market, like there are different brands available in the market. If you want to buy a TV, there are various brands like LG, Samsung, so you have to take the one best alternative out of them. The next is post purchase evaluation by the marketeer. After that, they will evaluate the basically they will evaluate the satisfaction level of the consumer, whether the consumer is satisfied or not. The next is influenced by various factors. Consumer behavior is influenced by a number of factors, and these factors include marketing, means advertisement techniques, advertisement strategies of the companies, personal, that means their own decision, psychological, situational, social, and cultural factors. Next is different for different customers. All the consumers do not behave in the same manner because the different customers have different needs and they behave differently. The difference in consumer behavior is due to individual factors such as nature of the consumer's lifestyle and his culture. Different for different products. Consumer behavior is different for different products, as there are some consumers who may buy more quantity of certain items and buy less quantity of other items according to their need. So the behavior of the consumer vary from product to product and vary from need to need. Next is vary across regions. The consumer behavior is also affected by the regions and various states, countries, and you can see the difference between the north culture, west culture, and south culture. You can also see the difference among the countries culture. Like if we take the example of a rural and urban customers, normally rural consumers are conservative and traditional in their buying behavior, and urban customers are willing to buy trendy and fashionable goods. The next is vital for marketeers. Vital for marketeers means to know the behavior of the consumer is very essential, because the marketing decisions are mainly depend upon the behavior of the customers, and there are various factors that influence the consumer behavior of the target customers. So the marketers have to identify the factors which have effect on the consumer behavior, and which factors influence the behavior and decision process of the consumer, so they can take the appropriate marketing decision. And the next point is results in spread effect. The buying behavior of one person may influence the buying behavior of another person. For example, a customer may always prefer to buy premium brands of clothing, watches, and other items, and this may influence some of his friends, neighbors, and colleagues. So that's why the marketers use celebrities to endorse their brands, because the consumers are easily get influenced by the celebrities, and they get inspired to buy the product. The next is undergoes a change. The consumer buying behavior does not remain same all the time, and it changes with the change in age of the consumer, education level of the consumers, and the income level. For example, kids may prefer colorful dresses, but as they grow up as teenagers or young adults, they may prefer trendy and fashionable clothes. The next is information search. Search for information is a common consumer behavior. क्योंकि आपने अगर कुछ भी बाय करना होता है तो आप सबसे पहले उस प्रोडक्ट के रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन को सर्च करते हो. तो देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ acquiring the information, whether you can use the social media, review sites, companies advertisements, etc. When a consumer decides to buy a certain item, his decision must be based on the information he has gathered about what products or services are available to fulfill his needs. The next is brand loyalty. Brand loyalty is another feature of consumer behavior. Brand loyalty is the tendency of a consumer to buy a product or service from a certain company. Like अगर आप किसी ब्रांड के लिए लॉयल होते हो तो आप उसी प्रोडक्ट को, उसी ब्रांड को बाय करना लाइक करोगे. For example, if Nana's first car was a Honda as a teenager and the car lasted 2 lakh miles, she might have a tendency to buy Honda again in the future due to her previous positive experience. क्योंकि जो आपका लॉयल्टी लेवल है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, आपका पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस. अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा रहा, आपका पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस है, then you would like to buy the same brand. So the brand loyalty may be so strong that she forgoes the information search altogether when considering for नेक्स्ट व्हीकल. तो आपको लगता है कि इंफॉर्मेशन मेरे लिए इतनी मैटर नहीं करती, क्योंकि मैंने खुद यूज किया है, मेरा जो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस है वो अच्छा रहा, तो मैं इसी बेसिस पे दोबारा सेम ब्रांड बाय करूँ. Thanks for patience listening. Hope my lecture is clear to all the students.